How to generate AI art in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all AI tools. Click on the Start Editing to open the workspace. You will see two main options, Image Edit and Text to Image. To generate AI art, select the Text to Image option. Next, enter a detailed text prompt describing the artwork you want to create. Include information about style, colors, theme, objects, and mood to get the most accurate AI-generated art. The more specific your prompt, the better the results. Once your prompt is ready, click on the Generate Now button. Wait for the AI to process your request and your AI-generated artwork will appear as an image output. After finalizing your AI art, you can download it for use in project, social media, creative portfolios, or personal collection. NanoBanana.ai makes it easy to turn your imagination into stunning digital art using AI. Now you know how to generate AI art in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.